Such beauty. But the flower is self-serving, enticing animals into an unwitting alliance. Stingless bees. They have to work hard. The forest flowers make them do so by rationing their nectar, forcing each bee to visit and so pollinate at least 1,000 blooms each day. For the bees, it's worth the effort. They need the nectar to make honey, which they store in pots. It's so precious they keep it hidden beneath the bark of a tree. But their secret is out. Nothing is safe in this forest. Chimpanzees love honey. She seems oblivious to danger. A fall from up here could be fatal. But she does need a bigger stick. Only a chimp has the ability to break into a stingless bee's nest as well hidden as this. Chimps are extremely intelligent, but none is born with the skill to use a tool. Youngsters like this one must learn by watching. She uses special tools, one after another, to get all the honey she can. And in a few minutes she destroys what took the bees years to build. In the rainforest, nothing is safe.